Belligerent. Belligerent. Means aggressive or ready to fight. Her belligerent attitude caused fight. The belligerent man shouted at the crowd. Circumspect. Circumspect. Means careful or thinking before taking risks. She was circumspect about investing money. Always be circumspect before signing a contract. Harbinger. Harbinger. A sign of something coming. He said the dark clouds were a harbinger of rain. She felt the cold wind are a harbinger of winter. Disparate. Disparate. Means very different. He likes football, but she has disparate interests in painting. She chose a disparate dress while he wore something simple. Esoteric? Esoteric? Means hard to understand for few people. He reads esoteric books about ancient philosophy. She joined an esoteric yoga class that few people understood. Ameliorate. Ameliorate. Means make something better. She ameliorated her mood by listening to music. He tried to ameliorate the fight by saying sorry. Plethora. Plethora. Means a large amount. He has a plethora of money. She received a plethora of compliments on her painting. Vindicate. Vindicate. To prove right or not guilty. He showed his grades to vindicate his hard work. She vindicated herself by explaining the truth.